What's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, simple and straightforward way, and here is the proof. So again, as I always say guys, what time it is, it's time to make money, right? So as you could see on my screen guys, I don't lie, I don't bullshit, it's the real truth. As you could see on my screen, I made around $177, and in fact more than that, using the same strategy. When I click over here, I'm going to show you the product as well. It's called Cortexi. So before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, simple, straightforward way. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So again, as you could see, the product is Cortexi. So this is the page of that offer. So again, it's all about tinnitus to fix ringing in your ears. So I'm going to promote this product. So the first thing which you need to do is creating a landing page. So this is the landing page what I've created. Once you click over here, it is going to go towards this offer. Now the first step is thus done, which is creating a landing page. Now the second step is creating an ad, and creating an ad is really easy. I think so these are the only two steps which you need to do. Once you do these two steps, you're going to make a sale. So you need to choose Google Ads, you can choose Microsoft Ads, whatever you prefer. First thing what you need to do is just go and sign up for Google Ads. It's free to sign. Next thing is just click on new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you need to go on website traffic. Once you go on website traffic, all you need to do is click on continue. Once you do continue, all you need to do is search. Okay, once you do search, put your campaign name. I'm not gonna put anything for now. Then you need to do is click on next and then start new. Once you're on your bidding, I would select clicks and I would set a maximum cost per click, which means how much am I willing to pay for this click. So the maximum cost per click bid, I would set it as 0.50. Now next thing which comes is customer acquisition. Ignore that, click next. Now only select search network, ignore display network. For countries, I would select United States, Canada, Australia. For this video, I'm just gonna select Australia because I did get a sale from Australia. So now click next. So always try to select all of these countries. Don't just stick to United States because the competition is a lot more and you need to pay more for those clicks. So I would select other countries as well. Now with your language, English, it's auto selected, so that's good. If you know any other language, let's say you know French, you can use French, target French countries and make your ad in French. Again, that's an additional benefit. But if you know English, just select English. Ignore this, click on next. Ignore all of these things, ignore all of these things as well. Click next. Now the next thing with keywords, all you need to do is copy everything or copy below the question mark, before the question mark, just paste it over here. So once you put your URL over here, update keyword suggestion, it's going to give you all of those keywords. So do that. And one more thing is always click over here, put the headline so it says ringing in your ears. Click here, cancel this thing and paste it over here and update keywords. And you can replace, so I would replace it or you can add on top of that. But this one looks really good where it shows you fix tinnitus, how to fix ringing in your ears. This one looks really good. Now all you need to do is put your landing page over here and all of the ideas would be given over here. So I would select how to fix tinnitus. This one looks really good. How to fix tinnitus. Watch video now. It's suggested over here. You can add description as well once you do that. So let me add the description. So I've added the description. Now all I need to do is just click next and my ad is created. And obviously I'm gonna put as $100 or $50 depending on your budget, and just click next, and once your ad gets approved, it will start running and you're going to make sales. So guys, it's very simple, and I've created a free course about this. Again, it's a step-by-step detailed guide. If you're confused anywhere, you can go check out my free course. The link is down in the bio. And if you really like this video, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.